I'm so excited to share the Poppy mini bead embroidery kit with you all. Beadsology was kind enough to send me this kit, and I've been absolutely loving it. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside the Poppy kit and why it's perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. First, nestled within the paper pack, you'll find clear instructions and a helpful black and white guide adorned with symbols, ensuring a smooth crafting experience. Keep your supplies organized and within reach with the handy organizer container, promoting a clutter-free and enjoyable crafting environment. We've got the vanishing marker. It's gonna help you keep everything nice and neat as you work. I like to make 10 by 10 squares. It makes it so much easier to follow the pattern and keep your beadwork neat and tidy. You'll also find a beading needle in the kit. Say goodbye to struggling to thread those tiny beads. With the Poppy kit in hand, you've got everything you need to dive into the wonderful world of bead embroidery. It's easy, it's fun, and trust me, you're gonna love it. And when you're finished stitching a section, don't forget to secure your thread with a knot at the back of the fabric. They've really thought of everything. And to make the stitching experience even more enjoyable, I'm using this amazing French desktop solid wood embroidery frame. And check out this awesome bead tray. Bead embroidery is such a relaxing and rewarding craft. It's a great way to unwind after a long day, and the results are simply stunning. My very own framed bead embroidery art. I'm so incredibly proud of how this turned out. It's been such a joy from start to finish, a truly relaxing and rewarding project that brings so much beauty. After many relaxing hours, days of stitching, taking this beautiful project with me to parks and on my travels, I am absolutely thrilled to say that the Poppy bead embroidery is officially finished. Now, to give this beautiful poppy the presentation it deserves, I've cut away the excess Aida canvas around the design to create a really striking border and make the beads pop even more. I'm carefully gluing the finished beadwork onto a piece of black fabric. See how that darker margin instantly makes the colors feel even more vibrant?